Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a salad gag. First, understand that a salad gag is a playful culinary creation designed to surprise and amuse. It's not about taste, but about the visual impact and the unexpected twist. Think about who you're making it for and what kind of reaction you hope to achieve. This initial planning is crucial for a successful and memorable gag. Now, let's gather your essential ingredients. Start with a generous amount of fresh, crisp greens, perhaps 200 grams of mixed lettuce. Add colorful vegetables like 100 grams of cherry tomatoes and 50 grams of sliced cucumbers for visual appeal. The real fun begins with the gag elements, which should be surprising and safe. With your ingredients ready, it's time to craft your gag salad. Begin by layering the fresh greens and vegetables in a large, clear bowl, making it look like a delicious, normal salad. Then, carefully embed your chosen gag items. These could be small, harmless objects, perhaps a rubber duck or a toy spider, subtly hidden to create a moment of delightful surprise. Finally, it's time for the big reveal. Present your salad gag with a completely straight face, as if it's a perfectly normal dish. Enjoy the moment as your audience discovers the unexpected element and reacts with amusement. For easy cleanup after your fun, and to keep your kitchen organized, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Remember to dispose of any non-edible items properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.